Hi, this is Nathan Morgan with PartsPeople.com. In this video, we're going to show you how to upgrade your memory in your laptop. First thing you always want to do is you want to remove any power that's within the laptop. This includes the AC adapter and battery. Most laptops have an access door on the bottom of the laptop. Go ahead and locate that and remove the memory door. Sometimes you may have an existing memory stick in here that may need to be removed. What you need to do is you need to pull out on the tabs and then pull the stick out. Locate the notch on the memory stick, and you want to line up that notch with the notch that's on the slot. You want to gently slip the memory stick in at a 45-degree angle and snap it down. Now replace the memory door that you had removed previously. And turn on the laptop. There's no software or any firmware modifications that need to be made, so you can just turn the laptop on, and that's it. This is Nathan Morgan with PartsPeople.com.